Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for personal development. First, let's set up your workspace. Begin by defining your personal growth goals, whether it's learning a new skill or improving well-being. Break these larger aspirations into smaller, actionable steps. Utilize Notion's powerful database features to track your progress visually, giving you a clear overview of your journey. This structured approach helps maintain focus and momentum towards achieving your objectives. Next, let's build strong habits. Notion is excellent for establishing and maintaining routines. Design a simple habit tracker database where you can log daily or weekly activities. Set up automated reminders to ensure you never miss a beat. Regularly review your consistency to identify patterns and areas needing more attention. This systematic approach helps embed positive behaviors, making personal growth a consistent part of your everyday life. Now, let's organize your learning and skill development. Notion provides a central hub for all your educational resources, from articles to online courses. Create custom templates for taking notes, summarizing key concepts, and tracking your learning journey. Regularly review the material to reinforce understanding and actively apply new knowledge. This organized system ensures efficient learning and continuous skill acquisition, boosting your personal growth. Finally, let's focus on reflection and continuous improvement. Schedule dedicated reflection sessions using Notion's calendar features. Develop a personalized journal or daily log template to capture your thoughts, achievements, and challenges. Regularly analyze your entries to gain insights into your progress and identify areas for adjustment. This consistent self-assessment loop is crucial for refining your personal development plan and ensuring sustained growth over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.